Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is garden maintenance. Garden maintenance is a crucial for keeping your outdoor space healthy, vibrant and aesthetically pleasing. Regular upkeep ensures that your plants thrive, weeds or are controlled, and the overall appearance of your garden is well maintained. Here are some essential Here are some essential tasks and tips for effective garden maintenance. Watering. Provide your plant with adequate water according to their specific needs. Water deeply and less frequently, promoting deep root growth and preventing shallow rooting. Consider using a soaker hose or drip irrigation system to deliver water directly to the root and minimize evaporation. Weeding. Regularly regularly remove weeds to prevent them from competing with your plant for water, nutrients, and sunlight. Hand pulling or using a gardening tool like a hoe can be effective in keeping weeds at bay. Applying mulch around plants can also suppress weeds growth. Pruning and trimming prune shrub trees and Addictz to maintain their shape, promote healthy growth, and remove any damaged or dead branches. Trim back overgrow plant to prevent overcrowding and allow for proper air circulation and sunlight penetration. Fertilizing. Provide essential nutrients to your plants through regular fertilization. Use organic or slow release fertilizer to avoid chemical burn and ensure steady nutrients release over time. Follow the instruction on the fertilizer